Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the Open V-Stitch pattern. This is actually a very easy pattern to do and it looks so beautiful. So to get started, you'll need to know how to do a treble crochet. If you need help with that, check down in the description below for my video on how to do a treble crochet. So to get started, we will need to do multiples of 3 plus 1. So I'm going to chain 15 plus 1 for a total of 16. All right, now to get started, we are going to chain 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, we're going to do our first treble crochet. Followed by a chain 1. And a treble crochet inside that same stitch. We are going to skip 2 and do a treble crochet in the 3rd stitch, chain 1, treble crochet in that same stitch. All right, we're going to skip 2 and we're going to do a treble crochet in the next stitch, followed by a chain 1 and a treble crochet in the same stitch. And we'll repeat this process till the end of the row, and that'll be our repeat actually for the whole entire pattern. So it'll be a treble crochet, chain 1, treble crochet, skip 2. So here we go, we're skipping our 2, treble crochet, chain 1, treble crochet, and skip 2, treble crochet, chain 1, treble crochet. And that is how you do row 1. Super easy. So for row 2, we're going to turn our work and we are going to chain 3. And in our chain 1 space from the previous row, that's where we're going to do our work. So we'll do a treble crochet, chain 1, treble crochet, and we'll repeat this across every chain 1 space. And you want to make sure you're doing it in the chain 1 space and not the connecting stitches. But it'll be that little hole in between the triangles, so it's pretty easy to see. So treble crochet in your chain 1 space, chain 1, treble crochet. Treble crochet, chain 1, treble crochet. Here we are in the last little bit. Treble crochet, chain 1, treble crochet. And that's how you do it. You'll just keep repeating row 2 until you get the size that you want. And you can kind of see how it ends up giving you a ripple effect on the side of your work. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and I hope that you have a happy crochet.